really quick video on how I built these DIY stairs. I'm going to keep it short because my phone is running out of battery, and also it's going to get dark soon. So I built these about 6 months ago. I'll just go through exactly what I used in this. So these are heat treated planks. As you can see there, it says heat treated. If you don't have access to heat treated planks, what you could use and what I've seen being used are 2 fence posts on top of each other, because obviously fence posts are always exposed to the moisture and the elements and soils, so they need to be treated also to protect them from rotting. So I have my plank in this instance. So this is about, give or take a few centimeters, about 70 centimeters across and about 20 centimeters from the top to the bottom. So that means there's 20 centimeters of rebar on top, and I've had about 30 centimeters below ground. So they're 50 centimeter sections of rebar in total. So these rebar, you can cut them up using a hacksaw. It might take a minute or so to cut each section, but you'll get through it eventually. If you don't have access to rebar, you can use other alternatives such as little wooden stakes, but obviously you'll have to replace them way more frequently than rebar. So the only thing I'd change is I might increase the distance from step to step to maybe, at the moment, from that wooden plank to here is about 31 centimeters or so. I'd increase that to like 33 just to give myself a little extra centimeter or two, so I'm not walking on the wooden planks on the way down, but that's only minor. Otherwise it works perfectly. Also, start from the bottom, work your way up. So you'll use this soil to backfill in the next one and to fill in the next one, and you have a platform then to work on as you're backfilling and digging every step. Okay, so that's what I used. I hope this helps. I couldn't find any other videos on YouTube regarding how to build these stairs. If you have any questions, please just leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Cheers.